Shout out to all my hustlers out there. Appreciate you rocking with me and taking time. Let's get right into it. So, what's the best time to start a business? Now, before we even get all into the weeds with it, first we gotta define a business, because a lot of people think about starting a business, but what they're actually wanting to start is a hustle. So a hustle is where you got some money, you want to buy something, flip it quick, and now you got a profit, the deal is done, and then it's on to the next. When I say start a business, I'm talking about a legitimate business. You are a legal entity. You are regarded as a business. You conduct yourself like a business. You file taxes like a business. Okay. So now that we got that clear, because there's a difference, and we're going to get back into that. And the truth is, it's always a good time to start a business because of the benefits of the business. And I talk about that at length in other videos. You guys know I lost my job, but I had a business. So I had something. What was so great about having the business, because I'm a truck driver by trade, and it's very easy for a truck driver to get a job, but not the best job. See, there are okay jobs, there's bad jobs, and then there are really, really good jobs in trucking. And having a business, when I lost my job of 21, 22 years, I didn't have to run out and find the first job that I could get because all my cash just stopped. I had good cash flow with my business. So it's always a good time to start a business, but there's some caveats to that. So let's get to it. And I'm going to give you a real life example. Okay. I had somebody reach out to me the other day, like literally this week. Okay, so today is this March the 19th, the year is 2025. Literally 2 days ago, I had a gentleman reach out to me, because you guys know I give my number. Jim put that on the screen for him. And I've done that for years. Most people don't take advantage. It's okay. Once I do this for the few people who will take advantage, it's free. So if you're one of those people, don't hesitate. Text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen, and I will get back with you, and I don't care. We can talk about whatever you want. Most people aren't going to do anything, but I'm still here for you. I don't judge. Hey, if there's anything I can do to help. But this poor guy, listen to what I'm about to tell you, and shout out to him. I wish you the best. He lost his job. He's with a big company. And for whatever reason, they're downsizing, right sizing, whatever they're doing. He's had this job. This is the only job he's ever had out of college. And 18 years gone. And so he reached out to me and he said, hey, is there any way you could help me to start an online business? Well, the short answer is yes. But when we talked, I did what I always did. I did what I always do. I told the truth, the whole truth. I didn't say, hey, well, if you buy my course, we can get you going. Oh, well, if you sign up for my coaching, if you sign up for my mastermind. Nope. I said, hey, listen, bro, what you really need is not to start a business right now. And here's the reason why. Because businesses take time. Businesses take time. I don't care about all these videos you watch that claim you're going to make all this money. It takes time, right? Why does it take time? Because in life, you've got to make your mistakes. This isn't just these nice books that you read. It's going to happen to you too, right? You have to fail your way to success. You have to fail your way to success. That's the way this works. That takes time. He said, well, how long do you think? I said, Well, if you're lucky, because he said the way he phrased the question was, how long will it take before I can replace my income? You're talking about a guy with benefits, managerial, degree and stuff like that. I said, if you're lucky, in 3 years, maybe. Other than that, you can count on probably 5 until you've learned how to do things, learn, how to run your business, how to manage it. There's just so much to learn that, I had to be realistic. So what I'm trying to say is this, and I'm going to give you another example because I just got off the phone with another guy today. Guys, if you have a job right now, and remember, you're talking to a guy who has a job. I have a job. I'm not one of these guys talking all this BS about quit your job, fire your boss. I hate that. Oh my God. If you got a good job, I'm not trying to leave that. I have proven that I could sell millions of dollars in revenue. I don't get to keep that. And I don't mind telling you the truth because I'm not trying to push a $10,000 course down your neck, so I can afford to tell you the truth. I have proven that you can have a job, a full-time job, and you can have a business, okay? And in my business, it's a full-time business, and I love it. I'm 55. I'm moving all the time. My mind is on the go all the time. There's so much to do, and I embrace work. That's why they call me La Machine, baby. Come on, you already know. Hey, what's up, working class hustlers? I wanted to take a brief break from this video. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, but did you know that 58% of the people that watch this channel, watch these videos, are not subscribed to the channel? So there's a good chance that you're not subscribed. So if you would take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much. It would be awesome. And tell you what, you will be showing myself and my producer Jim that you appreciate the over 500 videos that we've put together for your benefit. So hit that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. We're actually trying to get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers, and you're going to help us do it. So thank you in advance. Number 2, if you're somebody that's really trying to take your Amazon business to the next level, or you just want to get into selling on Amazon, you guys know I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. I've been using it and teaching it right here on this channel for years. And you might know that I've been wanting to put together a free video course, a real course that's worth money, but I want to give it to you for free. This is my gift to you. If you're serious and you really want a leg up and a way to understand the software that's so powerful, it has helped me double my revenue up to 30,000 plus a month. If this is something that would be interested in you, the wait is over. The link is in the description. Hustlers, don't waste time. I can't wait to see you there. Now back to the video. But what I'm trying to really get through to you guys, this is so important. If you've been doing all your studying and doing all your research and getting anybody to listen to you that you can get to listen to you about what you're going to do, you got to start taking action because you don't know what's going to happen up the road. I talked to another guy today, beautiful guy, appreciate his support, regular subscriber. By the way, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We would appreciate it. Let me know how I've been following you. And he goes back to when I was just arbitrage. Now he's seen me progress more over into the wholesale side. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, one of the reasons you want to be subscribed, you're probably interested in wholesale. I'll be talking more about that in the upcoming videos because that is mostly what I do now. I love pushing arbitrage though, because that's how I got started. If it weren't for arbitrage, I would not be in wholesale. Arbitrage is what really teaches you what you want to do. Arbitrage exposes you to every category that you could make money in. And in the beginning, you're forced to do it because in the beginning, you've got to sell what Amazon allows you to sell. So you're going to sell whatever, from shoes to bras to diapers to anything you can make some money with. And then over time, something clicks and you figure out your niche, what you want to do. Guys, I never would have thought in a million years that I would have came from bodybuilding to cheese doodles. Okay, snack food is what I sell now, if you guys don't know. By the way, sign up for the Snackfood Symposium. This is the business, this is the category that I sell in, and I've literally doubled my revenue, and I just did it. You know, go back and watch just a couple videos back and you can see my numbers. I love showing all that, and you can see the chart, how I've literally gone from 14, 15,000 a month, over 30,000 a month now consistently, just boom, because people got to eat, man. And people love eating junk. Whatever you tell them they shouldn't be eating, that's what they're going to eat, okay? Whatever they shouldn't be eating, that's what's being engineered to be addictive, to give the brain the dopamine hit, just like cocaine. That's another subject. Sign up for the Snackfood Symposium, guys. It's absolutely free. Me, my producer Jim, my sidekick, the lovely Miss Karen, we put that together for your benefit. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? As soon as this is over, go there. So let me wrap it up so you can go to that video. This poor guy was, you know, doing really, really well, and he was unfortunate. Dual income in the house. She can no longer, you know, work, and now he's got to, you know, make some changes and figure out how he can bring some additional income in. But here's the thing. He still got his income and he makes pretty good money. And all he needs, according to him, is an extra $200-300 a month. We can get you there. We can get you there. You know what I mean? It's when you're watching these people making these videos in front of a jet, a private jet, a mansion, a Lamborghini, on vacations and all that. You can have all that. Commit 5 to 7 to 10 years, and you can have all that. Maybe quicker, but you know, I'm 55 years old, and I can tell you in life, generally, all that stuff that people talk about, it's kind of like the lottery. You know, the lottery commission loves to show the winners, but for some reason, it ain't never you. And it probably ain't never gonna be you. So get started, because time ain't gonna stop. Time is not gonna wait for you. If you made it this far in the video, guys, if you made it this far, you already, there's no excuse for you, because most people, I can't get to watch more than 4 minutes. I showed my stats. I showed my YouTube stats. Okay, watch the last video. I can't get people to even watch. And all I'm doing is trying to show you how to get to the bag. Okay, I'm just giving you the real. And that's all I'm ever going to do. But the best time to start a business is actually 5 years ago. The next best time is now. And if you wait, more time is just going to keep going. Life is like, you know, time is like an escalator. Stand there in front of an escalator, and you know what you're going to see? The stairs just keep on moving, and they don't care if you get on or not. But the minute you step on that escalator, you know what happens? You start moving. And now time is on your side. You see? You start moving like that. And now time is on your side. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure you take advantage of all, you know, the things we got down in the comments, you know, in the description for you. Specifically, sign up for the Snackfood Symposium. Learn a little bit more about the food industry. People got to eat. You got all these people talking about, oh, the economy, people want to buy. Yeah, people got to buy food. People got to buy it, okay? You don't need me to tell you that. You know, you eat, right? You want to eat? Okay, then. Also, got a free course for you. Link is in the description. Should be pinned to the top of this chat. Free to teach you how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. That is the software. Even in wholesale, that is the software that I have been using, I've doubled my revenue. I would have tripled my revenue, but I ran out of operating capital. That's part of being in a real business where money is moving. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video.